I thought I'd do some live market analysis, market opens on gold and dollar to the yen 13 minutes ago, so I'm just putting my levels on now and trying to get a bit of a bias for today, so I thought it'd be helpful if I went through that to help you guys out. Gold is choppy. We got a good caught a shot here. We got quite a clean break. I know we've kind of chopped, kind of sideways in this sort of range here. So we'll see what we can get. See if we get a bit of a breakout of this area. Obviously, I'm not a support and resistance trader, but a breakout. Obviously want to be trending in some nice price action. So that'd be nice. We can disregard this 4 hours. This is what I do. I mark it open, then I go. And I'm looking on each time frame, seeing what I can find, marking out hourly lows, and then I'm also just going to kind of determine a bias. But as you can see, this is not a bias determinant. Obviously, we're just chopped. We look at this kind of down, up, down. We're just playing within a little range. So I'm open to shorts or longs today. Overall trend, looking at it, we're kind of bearish. We had some big dicks down, a bit of a retrace, dick down, and then we could class this as a bit of a retrace. So we could be looking for shorts, but I'm not just going to rule out longs because, as you can see, price looks like it might be coming down to hit these imbalances, to hit this these liquidity levels. So in terms of hourly highs, that's pretty much it. We don't really have much to go off. Obviously, I don't trade 15-minute liquidity sweeps, but I use it as price target. So we've got a high here, and then what I like to do as well is just whip out the ruler, not to measure my thing, but just so it's 0.15, 0.2. So I've been looking to come down here, fill this, and then we're looking to come up, which would be ideal. Obviously, we've got. I also use my look at that 15-minute order block there, where obviously we had a rejection from. It might be kind of a key level for us. So yeah, we're just gonna, kind of live market. So that's what I'm seeing on gold today, and now we're gonna go through on pound to the yen. So we've obviously gonna mark our 4 highs. Once again, this looks choppy. It looks like we've came up. We've quite extended. So we'll just give some of these a bit of a mark just in case. But yeah, it looks like we've came up and we're just looking for a bit of direction in this. That's the only 4-hour level high that we've got to go off there. So we'll go down the 1 hour. Obviously we get a bit more here. 1 hour low, but apart from that, that's really it. So unless one of these levels get hit, this is not. It's not shaping up for a good trade. Obviously you can see this is all very, this, once again, it's a bit of shit price action. All of this here is just like, it's up, it's down. We're playing in a range of less than 1 yen. Like, we don't want to be, we want to be seeing this kind of price action here, where we're coming up, instead of just a bit of sideways chop, because it's hard to trade. But yeah, we'll take a trade if we cannot see it happening. I'll probably keep this video going, and then I'll probably just cut it down. Obviously you won't see that, but I might just cut it down and cut out the shit bits where I'm not really doing much, and just trim it down a bit. But look at this. It's a good lesson, but you do not want to be trading anything like this. We're looking a bit better on gold. I'm not gonna. If we can come down and take out this liquidity, then I'll be looking at trade, and I'll be looking for longs, because we've got some solid price targets. If we enter, it's all theoretical, but if we come in here, what the fuck? Shit, wrong arrow. If you come down here, take out this. I'm down to take this hourly high. Come on, retrace, enter here. Take profit here, probably take profit there. Shit, how do I fucking end that? And then you're looking at again entry in about here, stops below the retrace. I'm still looking at a 1 to 9. If I want to go short, I can go 1 to 6. It's not an awful trade, and if it's showing good price action, then obviously I'm going to be down to take it. But other than that, it's a pretty clean out day. Obviously this is, you can't I mean, technically we are still bullish on the 4 hour because we haven't broke structure at the downside yet, so we're still bullish on the 4 hour. But I'm opposed to either at this point. We are bearish on this, but again, I think it's going to shape up for longs. And then I think the Owlies just chop. I'm not going to determine a bias on that. That's chop. And it's pretty much the same on GBP, JPY, because we're just gold. Sorry, because we're not really getting much. But yeah, we'll just see how it plays out. It's all theoretical, so if we get levels hit, then we'll have a look. But for the time being, that's just how I prepare myself for the market. Also, another key thing is Forex Factory. Obviously, you guys should know that for your news. Obviously, we had the claimant count, fucking bollocks. Probably don't need it. PM session's going to be a bit. I think we've got retail sales, so I'll probably trade at 1:45. I'll trade PM session, then I'll probably also trade the indexes, see if we get anything, and then just look ahead to the week. 7 CPI, that's fine, so I'll be trading all of Wednesday. I'll be trading AM session on Thursday, and then I'll be trading AM session again on Friday. So it's not the worst thing for news, and I don't think it's fucking up the market that much, but yeah. So that's a bit of live thing, then I'll try and squash a few videos together. But that's that. So that's how I'm getting prepared for market now. I'm literally just waiting for these levels to be hit. So I'm just in the 5 minute waiting for a sweep, and then I'm looking for more retrace. That's 15 minute. I'm not going to play off that. It's pretty stupid. I don't really want to force trades after what happened yesterday. And this is also very useful. So I've created my own trading journal and trading plan. Instead of having to write it in a book, I just write it in here. So as you can see, since I've started doing this, I'm 0 for 2. So I need to do a little trade recap of the trade that I took yesterday. But obviously I recapped this one, and I'll just go through it quickly. When you can see, this was a trade that I took. I got stopped out pretty much instantly. You can see here that we already went into this liquidity level pre-market. So this is not a trade that I should have been taking. I shouldn't have been looking for shorts, because we already came into liquidity pre-market, already took out a bit of it, got a bit of selling pressure. So it's just, and that's part of my rule book as well. I'm not trading. If I sweep out liquidity pre-market, it's disregarded, and I'm not even going to try and look for a trade. And this is exactly what we did. Was what we did wrong. Even though the trade wasn't an awful one, we broke that one rule. So that's in my eyes is why we lost. As you can see, price you probably can't see, price came up and just ripped. I'll try and find it on. Yeah, look, here's my entry here after taking out some hourly. There's some hourly pre-market, and then yeah, we took it out here, and then I'm trading this here, and and then we just ripped to the upside. So it's not, it wasn't a good trade at all. I'm not happy with it, but I can go more in depth probably tonight, and it'll probably be up tonight. In terms of more content, I'm going to look out to pump some shorts. I want to get a lot of educational content out to you guys, so yeah, I'll do that, and then I guess I'll just sit on here and wait for a trade then.